welcome to my channel. Today we will be drawing and coloring cow. Get your paper and pen and let's have some fun. I'm starting from its head. Here's its horn.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here up, there up, everywhere.
Here's its eye.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Now I'm drawing its mouth. Let's draw its ear.
With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had
Here's another horn. And this is another ear.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Let's draw its eye.
And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere.
Let's complete its face.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Its face is done. Now let's draw its body.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep,
Now I'm drawing its legs.
with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm,
Here's its bust.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
It has a long tail.
And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here,
Now I'm drawing its body prints.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. To do the coloring, I'm using my brown pen.
Farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Now I'm using my purple pen.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there,
I'm using my pale orange pen.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Excellent job! For more drawing and coloring fun time, please subscribe.
And on his
See you next time.